Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I'm making a kid's lunchbox chicken roll. Soft, tasty and packed with flavorful chicken. A perfect quick meal that kids will love. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 egg, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. One and 1/4 cup water. And mix well. Now add 1 cup flour and mix to make a smooth batter. Chicken rolls are popular lunchbox meals. Keep aside. Now prepare the chicken filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 cup chicken pieces. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala. Cook while stirring until the water dries out. Cook chicken until dry for better filling. Add 2 tablespoon capsicum and 2 tablespoon onion. Add 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Mix well and keep aside. Kids love cheesy and creamy filling. Now grease oil in a pan. Pour the batter and cook for 1 minute. Flip the crepe and cook lightly. Remove from heat. Add the cooked chicken filling. Rolls can be customized with different filling. Spread a little batter on top and fold as shown. Fold tightly to keep shape. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown. Soft wraps make them easy to eat. Do not overcook the wrap. Chicken provides protein for growing kids. Homemade meals are safer and healthier. Vegetables add vitamins and nutrients. Balanced ingredients make it filling. Your tasty chicken roll is ready, perfect for kids' lunchbox or snacks. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Foods for more easy recipes.